as you can see, people, she's pretty much all the suspension ready to put back together. Now, these are the original anti-roll bars, because I like the look of white line anti-roll bars. Not really interested in paying the price for them now. So I just sprayed mine white. I really do like the way they came out. They look pretty neat. I like the way that the drop links came out as well. Pretty good. So yeah, just ready to put together now. Right, and I've got the shock absorbers in. I managed to get most of the black paint off that someone has sprayed over it. I've got my low wishbone, so we're ready to get this all put back together. So we're going to get my low wishbone installed, and then I'll be with you. It's looking pretty good. Oh, it does look so much better than it did before. Alright, let's get the top arm in. It's gonna be epic. So there we go. Upper wishbone installed along with the lower one. Yeah, so it turns out you can't really fit this upper wishbone properly if the shock was in, so I put the shock in first. So on hindsight, there's no point, put the shock in last. So yeah, there we go. Right, and next thing we'll move on to fitting is the, in fact, you know what, I'm going to put the shock absorber in now, so it holds the lower wishbone up in the air for me, and then it'll make it easier for me to lower the hub and drive shaft in. So yeah, we'll do that, and I'll show you. And there we go, people. Shock absorber back in, all torqued up, bottom arm, hub assembly, upper wishbone. Don't forget to torque all these up. I will leave a list in the description for all the torque settings. That'll help people out. And do not forget to bit of thread lock on the thread and tighten them up, because again, these are the last things you want to come undone while driving along. This is a look at the other side. See, it's all looking very nice. We'll move on to doing the rear anti-roll bar and drop links now. I think it looks pretty nice. I'm happy with the way it all came out. So yeah, I was going to put the torque settings in the description, but what I shall do as a little extra bonus for everyone is at the end of the video I will put all the stills up of all the diagrams with all the torque settings in, so if you stay with me till the end you'll get to see them. But yes, very happy with how all this has come out. Thank you everyone for watching. Please remember to subscribe and go and have a look at my other videos. Also leave me a like and a comment, and for those who have made it from the beginning all the way to the end, those torque settings and technical diagrams are coming up. So yeah, I mean, you could probably screenshot them and print them off if you wanted to do that, or if you're watching on a mobile phone, that's probably the easiest option. Screenshot it and you can make them a little bit bigger. So yeah, thanks for everyone for watching, and I shall see you on the next one.